आयु परम वपुर अभिष्टमतुल्य लक्ष्मी द्वयो भू रसः सकल योग गुणा त्रिवर्गः ज्ञानम च केवलम अनंत भवन्ति तुष्टा त्वतो नृणाम किम ओ सपत्न जयादि आशिहि. O unlimited one, if your lordship is satisfied, one can easily obtain a lifetime as long as that is Brahma, a body either in the upper, lower, or middle planetary system, unlimited material opulence, religion, economic development, and satisfaction of the senses, full transcendent knowledge, and the 8 yogic perfection, what to speak of such petty achievement as conquering one's rivals. So we have Aditi here, mother of the Devatas, and Lord has come, and she is desiring. Yes. And in such an opportunity, she is having what she is desiring, one big position for the children. In one sense, not very intelligent. She should have asked, Lord, how can my son Indra, who is so attached to Apsaras, who is so attached to position, correct? Can you help him to go back to Godhead? She should have asked him that. But she asked something else. Please let him have his gaddi for some more time and I can enjoy seeing my son sitting on a big gaddi. That's all, correct? Isn't it? That's what she asked. And Krishna, as anyway knows, Krishna is whatever you want, he will fulfill. Here, Prabhupada, there is a meditation I want to do today. Krishna is ready to help the devotees in any situation. And he knows how to adjust things. There's a line I was searching, ready to help. Prabhupada uses hundreds of times, but the one of the time was Queen Kunti, when they were in very great difficulty. And Krishna was always, if you see Pandava's life also, they're always dependent on Krishna. They're not depending on anything else. That is also the quality if you want Krishna's benediction. Always depending. They had so many difficulties. They had real big problems. Okay. They had real big problems and throughout their life. And at the last instance is that when Brahmastra came, it was impossible now to do something. And actually, it's big detail which is revealed in third canto is that Brahma actually even killed that body of that child. Krishna gave him new body. How he can do that? Krishna can do anything. He knows how to adjust the things properly. Sometimes it is said that Krishna with his gada withhold the heat of the Brahmastra, correct? But sometimes another reading in Bhagavatam itself is that actually it had destroyed the body, but Krishna gave another body. Equivalent, either way, the job is done. The boy survived. The soul survived that Brahmastra hit. So, Krishna knows how to do things and is always ready to help. So, after that, Queen Kunti offers prayers. So, Prabhupada said, yes, Krishna knows how to help. Another place this thing, meditation comes is very nice, and that is the meditation. Okay. Who has come in? Yes, Pragna has come. Okay. So, this is the meditation. Very nice meditation. Who says this? Krishna is always ready to help the devotee. कौन बोलता है ये स्टेटमेंट? कृष्णा हमेशा भक्तों को मदद करते हैं. सोचो. और उसके पास अभी जाओ तुम, अर्जेंट जाओ. Who says? Krishna always helps his devotee. Please go urgently. We need help. Think about it. Sudama ki biwi. Sudama's wife. Go. So that line is there also. Please go. Krishna will help you. And actually, yes, Krishna did help. Krishna ने मदद किया था, ठीक है? This line. कृष्णा हमेशा भक्तों की मदद करते हैं. मैं इस चीज पे आज ध्यान कर रहा था. और उनको मालूम है कैसे एडजस्ट करना है. We would discuss this for long, so many days. There was such a difficult position we know who was in such a difficult position. It was the Devatas. The Devatas made a lot of mess. Indra neglected his guru, and guru disappeared, and Brihaspati disappeared, and Indra was in trouble. And again, sometimes Durvasa gave him garland, And then he gave the garland to his elephant. An elephant threw it on the ground and nicely smashed it. Durvasa cursed him. So one after another, the Devatas made a mess. And on the top of it, the suppose so-called Danavas like Bali Maharaj, they took total shelter of the Brahmanas and they were blessed. So that was a very difficult position, just like this position which has come. Now Krishna is going to adjust. Krishna knows what is to be done. He continuously helped them. You see in that instance, when the Devatas made the first time a mess, Krishna came and he Krishna came and he said, okay, let us do this Samudra Manthan Leela. And Krishna kept adjusting things. They could not lift the mountain. Krishna lifted the mountain. Krishna became the tortoise. He sat on the top of the mountain also to balance it. Then they could not do the manthan also. So Krishna personally did the manthan. ऐसा हालत, इतना काम किया. और उसके बाद भी नेक्टर को नहीं पकड़ पाए. कृष्णा came as Dhanvantri to took the nectar. See how much Krishna is capable to do anything inconceivable. Then after the Devatas got the nectar, but still they could not fight with the Danavas. And then what happened? No, Mohini Murti ho gaya. Then Krishna came on Garuda and he destroyed the Danavas. Danavas, they created a lot of illusory tricks. Even though Devatas are powerful now because of the nectar they had drunk, they were not able to fight with the Danavas. Because Danavas are losing, but they have the witchcraft. They know some tantra, pantra. And these people, they were creating a lot of illusory tricks. And Devatas could not handle it. And they were about to lose. Again Krishna came on his Garuda and again saved the situation. He said, now you win. They won and almost they died. But Bali Maharaj was taken, he was dead actually, he was taken to his Guru Shukracharya. And Shukracharya, Mrita Sanjeevani, there is something he knows, art, he made him alive again. And then Bali Maharaj became totally devoted to Shukracharya and his blessing. He worked so sincerely, he took his blessing and worked hard. Then again he took over the throne. And now what to do? At this point, Krishna cannot come on Garuda because they have come by the blessing of the Brahmanas. At this point. So Krishna said, okay, I know I have to do something else this time. So it is always, the essence is always ready to help the devotees. The devotees should have this attitude always. Krishna is ready to help us. But then we should be sincere. In fact, this Leela continues and then Krishna, comes as Vamana and he wins the whole situation for the Devatas by asking 3 steps of land, 2 steps takes everything. And then Prahlad Maharaj comes on the scene. He is the grandfather of Bali Maharaj. When Prahlad Maharaj comes on the scene, it is very beautiful. He comes on the scene and he offers prayers because he is seeing the Lord as Narsimha, now he is seeing him as Vamana. And he offers beautiful prayers. And in the prayer he says, my Lord, I know you are always ready to help the devotees. And my grandson became little proud, and that was detected. When Vamandeva asked, give me 3 steps of land, he said, why he asked for so less? Ask more. I own the whole universe, I can give you an island. Kind of possession, kind of ownership was there, which is wrong. Devotee के पास कभी अगर ऐसा घमंड आने लगता है तो कृष्ण सब ले लेते हैं. करेक्ट. इसलिए मंदिर में जो भक्त जाता है पहली सेवा क्या होती है? बर्तन धो. अगर उसमें हिचक रहा है उसका घमंड कभी नहीं टूटेगा. सबसे पहला हमारा मंदिर में जाके क्या लक्ष्य होता है? अपना घमंड तोड़ना. करेक्ट. जब तक घमंड है भगवान की सेवा नहीं कर पाएंगे. हाँ, आप भी किए? कहाँ पे? कौन सा मंदिर में? त्रिपुरा में. आप किधर था? उधर भी करा है. यही. Oh my God! आपको भी? I was just telling them that generally when we go to temple first, the first service we got was washing pots, isn't it? When volunteers come, what's the first service they give? Washing pots. You wash vessels. Huh? You are able to get? When new devotees come, when new devotees come to temple, so the first service, cleaning, because of pride. Pride has to go. The pride has to become simple. And they are saying, what washing? We had to clean the toilets first. And I remember, they didn't tell me at least toilet cleaning. They told me to broom. The vice president in Bangalore told me, can you please broom my room? I'm coming in half an hour. And I lifted the broom. I never broomed in my life. Oh my God. This I cannot do. It's so difficult. I will close the door first. I thought nobody should see. I never broomed. We're not trained in that way. Generally it happens at home. The boys, you all study, mother will take care of everything. So this is not easy, but it's good. So Krishna knows when somebody is becoming proud of material possession because it doesn't own anything. He's the dasa. Prabhupada said actually we should be ready to serve the Guru nichavat, which is the shloka. Nichavat. है ना? गुरु की सेवा नीच के हिसाब से. नीच मतलब बिल्कुल घड़ित आदमी की तरह भी रेडी होना चाहिए. So that is nichavat. ठीक है, there is one shloka where it says nichavat. So he should be ready. So now he saw the Bali Maharaj is proud. He said, you were so kind to him, always to give him all the whole world you gave him, my grand. And now you have taken everything away. But both the situation you have equally been kind to him. So Krishna in any situation is very, very kind to us. Okay? Any situation we can meditate. Krishna is always kind and always ready to help. Our meditation should be only depend on him. So Aditi should have asked, we feel that she could have asked for liberate her children, take them back to the spiritual world. Like Prabhupada gives an example, an old lady was walking in the forest and then what happened? She was holding so much luggage and then it fell down. बुढ़िया जंगल में जा रही थी, कुछ लकड़ी लेके वो नीचे गिर गया, तो रोने लगी, कृष्णा कृष्णा गोविंदा. तो कृष्ण जी आए, बोले क्या करूँ, ये इसको पीछे जरा पीठ में रख दो. अरे बाबा कृष्ण आए, बोलो अपने गरुड़ में मेरे को वैकुंठ ले जाओ. नहीं, ये थोड़ा बोझ थोड़ा सिर. तो हम भी वी आस्क थिंग्स, व्हाट डू वी आस्क? सम डिफिकल्टी, है ना, ये बोझ. लाइक आदिति इज आस्किंग, लेट माय सन्स अगेन गेट द गद्दी, है ना. बट शी कुड आस्क, कृष्णा मेरे को और ये बेटों के साथ जरा वैकुंठ धाम ले जाओ, है ना. ये मेरा बेटा जो अफसर के पीछे भागता रहता है, उसको जरा कुछ वैराग्य दे दो, है ना. तो ये भी थोड़ा आपका अच्छा भक्त बन जाए. सो एनीवे, वी हैव नो बिजनेस उन पे कमेंट करना. हमारे सामने आदित्य भी बहुत महान भक्त हैं, भगवान के दर्शन हो रहे हैं. इंद्र भी बहुत महान भक्त हैं, उनको भी दर्शन होते रहते हैं. हम उनको कंपेयर नहीं करना चाहिए. बट एज अ प्रिंसिपल ऑफ अ प्योर डिवोशन, इतना बड़ा अपॉर्चुनिटी अगर सामने मिले तो क्या मांगोगे? है आपके सामने भगवान आए तो क्या बोलोगे? भगवान जीबीसी बना दो, है भगवान टेम्पल प्रेसिडेंट बना दो. नहीं, भगवान एक आपको वैकुंठ धाम का एक टिकट दे दो. बस और कुछ नहीं चाहिए, है ना. शुद्ध भक्ति चाहिए मेरे को और कुछ नहीं चाहिए. So that is the highest principle. Krishna is ready to help the devotees anyway. And in one sense, the prayer of Aditi is correct because Devatas should rule the world, not the Danavas. Danavas ruling the world, it is not correct. दानव लोग को कभी भी राज्य नहीं करना चाहिए. जैसे आप देखिए, कृष्ण जी खुद बोलते हैं, यदा यदा धर्म से ग्लानि, धर्म ग्लानि शुरू हो जाती है. परित्राणाय साधुना विनाशाय तो दुष्कृता. देवता लोग तो हमेशा साधु होते हैं, भक्त होते हैं, और ये दानव लोग तो दुष्कृति होते हैं, है ना. तो कृष्ण का ही काम है. तो शी इज आस्किंग इन समथिंग इन लाइन विद द कृष्णा's प्लान ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. कृष्ण का प्लान है उस दुनिया के लिए मेरे देवता लोग ही राज करें. इसलिए वी नो फॉर दिस रीजन कृष्णा मेड द महाभारत अवॉर्ड, द डिवोटी शुड रूल, नॉट द दानवा. Duryodhana was not devotee, he should not rule. Devotee should rule. Right? In that line, Aditi's prayer is in line with the plan of the Lord. Okay? And we see that she is full of knowledge. She is not ordinary. She is full of knowledge. She is offering wonderful prayers. And here the opportunity is there for the Aditi. They are getting an opportunity and Krishna is going to now adjust. Now he is not going to attack this time. प्रीवियस टाइम वो गरुड़ में आके किया, कुछ बहुत तरह का किया. अब वो अटैक नहीं कर सकते. बिकॉज वाई? बलि महाराज इन द प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ शुक्राचार्य, हु इज अ प्योर ब्राह्मण. एज अ वैष्णव मे बी नॉट द टॉप मोस्ट, बट ही इज अ प्योर ब्राह्मण. नमो ब्राह्मण देवाया. कृष्णा कैनॉट टेक अवे एनीथिंग ब्लेस्ड बाय अ ब्राह्मण. प्रॉपर सेज इफ यू हैव समथिंग ब्लेस्ड बाय अ ब्राह्मण, nobody can interrupt his enjoyment. Nobody can interrupt because the Krishna, nobody can take away, even Krishna will not take away. The Bali Maharaj opulence cannot be taken away. So now what is the process being done now? What is the process being done? Krishna is going to take a Vamana role and go to him and beg him. When he begs him, Bali Maharaj will plan to give, but then Krishna will remind Shukracharya that I am going to take everything away. And Shukracharya will instruct Bali Maharaj, ki don't do this. Don't do. You say you never told. Then Bali Maharaj, Shukracharya will say, lie, tell a lie that you're not given. So Bali Maharaj says, how can I tell a lie? I am a grandson of Prahlad Maharaj. मैं प्रहलाद महाराज का पोता हूँ, मैं कैसे झूठ बोल सकता? मैंने तो बोल दिया, ले लो. बोलता नहीं नहीं नहीं, तुमने नहीं बोला है, तुमने बोला था लेकिन उसके पहले ओम नहीं बोला है. वो नखरे कुछ बता रहा था. तो ऐसे नो, डोंट गिव. ऐसे नो, हाउ कैन आई लाई? आई एम अ ग्रैंडसन ऑफ प्रहलाद महाराज. I cannot lie. And then the next instance happened. The Shukracharya becomes angry. मेरे को शिक्षा देता है. Shukracharya becomes angry at Bali Maharaj. You are instructing me. So I curse you that you lose everything. So that is how actually it will proceed from that, and Krishna knows. So therefore Krishna knows how to adjust things. So it looks difficult, like for devotees Krishna lifted a mountain, but Krishna knows anything he can do. Okay, now meditation on this. People are here, some people are here online, some people are here. Tell me situations where Krishna knew how to save the devotees. ऐसा बताओ क्या क्या जगह था कृष्ण को मालूम था क्या बहुत असंभव चीज़ था, लेकिन कृष्ण ने एडजस्ट कर दिया सर, बिल्कुल ठीक कर दिया. बताओ. वी हैव एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ द्विज पत्नी जया. जब द्विज पत्नी भाग के दे कम टू फॉर कृष्ण एंड नाउ दे से अब घर कैसे जाएंगे, बिकॉज तो यज्ञ को छोड़ के तो भगाए थे ना सारा सामान लेके. सो कृष्ण से डोंट वरी, गो बैक. कृष्ण हैड ऑलरेडी एडजस्टेड थिंग्स. And then what happened? When they went back, husbands were ready to receive them with respect. Krishna can correct things, है ना. एक हरिदास ठाकुर भी जब कुआं बैठे थे, he was sitting in a cave, then और सांप बैठा था. So बड़ा हरिदास ठाकुर एक गुफा में बैठ के जप कर रहे थे. तो लोग, people used to come for his blessing. In the same cave, one big snake was sitting. So he was like Paramahamsa. Okay, sit. No, is Lord's kingdom. You also have right to use. I also have right to use. Correct? Higher devotee feels like that. Ajkal my man feels that we have right to use earth, but animals, plants should be destroyed. No, they have equal right. वो भी भगवान के बच्चे हैं, उनको भी right है. ईशा वाशमिदम सर्वम. So उनको भी right है to enjoy. Then what happens? So Haridas Thakur, they request कि आप दूसरी जगह आ जाओ, ये सांप हमको डर लगता है. Lot of people used to come for a darshan. So Haridas Thakur said, before he was to get up, Paramatma in the heart told him, get out. And the snake went away. So Prabhupada says, Krishna knows how to adjust things. Okay. Prerna Mataji, anybody, any example?
Prabhu, when Durvasa Muni comes with his disciples to visit Pandavas, and enough food is not there.
Yes.
That is when Krishna also comes there, and Krishna eats one grain from the Akshay Patra vessel. So
yes.
After Draupadi eats from that vessel will not have any food stuff. But then one grain will be sticking out of the vessel, and Krishna eats the vessels, and all the disciples, 10,000 disciples of Durvasa, they feel satisfied.
Yes. So Krishna knows. Everybody knows that instance. ठीक है. और बताओ कोई इंस्टेंस कृष्णा ने बिल्कुल. अरे दुर्योधन वो गंधारी के पास जा रहा था नंगा, अगर वो चला जाता तो he would have been invincible. So Krishna knows what to do. He landed up there. Imagine his enemy camp is landing up. Hey Duryodhan, कहाँ जा रहे हो नंगे, बेशरम, you're shameless man, you're going naked somewhere. No, my mother. Arey, you're going to see a mother, at least wear a loincloth. No, she told me to come naked. That's okay, yaar, so have some shame. And that is how Krishna got him killed. Correct? So Krishna knows how to adjust things. जो भी और बताओ. Yes, any other instance?
That 5 arrows of the Pandavas.
Yes. Yes. We know that Bhishma makes 5 arrows and he says tomorrow they are killed. These 5 arrows will give the 5 Pandavas. Now Krishna knows what to do. He told Arjuna, go. And there was once Duryodhana had given benediction to Arjuna. Long time ago when they were together. That one benediction asked, The Arjuna said, I'll ask you later. So when I think childhood time sometimes he had given. So now when this happened, so at that time Krishna said, go to Duryodhana, remind him. And when he said, yes, I'll give you the benediction, get the 5 arrows. So Krishna adjusted. Even the most difficult thing, Bhishma said, if Krishna does not fight the war, Arjuna will die. Correct? So here was Arjuna who was there. There was Bhishma on the other side. So Bhishma had taken a pratigya that Arjuna is going to die tomorrow unless Krishna takes off the weapons. And Krishna has taken a vow. He has not lifted a weapon. So Krishna knows how to adjust things. What he did? He came to the situation, correct? He broke his promise. So Krishna knows. See, there is no doubt in Krishna in any moment what to do. Ek second mein Krishna decides. Take it, Krishna said, okay, I'll break my vow. So he is always sure what to do. In our life, we are always confused. We actually don't know what to do. But Krishna exactly knows in every situation what to be done. So if it develops sincerity in Krishna consciousness, Prabhupada said, you get the knowledge, what to do, when to do, how to do, clear. Very clear. And not only that, Krishna always knows how to help the devotees. Just like Prabhupada says, I just desired so many things. They are happening so wonderfully now. So wonderfully. Okay? So things happen. So one Prabhupada said, I just desired, let there be some temples. So many beautiful temples have come. I desired that there be the printing and distribution of books. It is happening in billions. Hai na? So it is that Krishna always fills the heart desire of his. He knows how to help his devotee. But generally we desire materially. Krishna sanctions it not with a happy heart. जैसे माँ बाप कोई बच्चा जबरदस्ती के कोई चीज़ ले ले, that's not happiness, correct? But if the child desires something good, then Krishna is very happy to help him. Those aspects Krishna is most happy, most satisfied to help. Okay, anything else? Still 5 minutes.
Hides the son to kill Jayadratha.
Yes, Krishna knows. All the Pandavas, the Arjuna had taken an oath that if he doesn't kill Jayadratha in the Mahabharata, he will commit suicide, that he will burn himself. In the Mahabharata war, Jayadratha was responsible for the death of Abhimanyu. So next day Arjuna takes a vow, if I don't kill Jayadratha today, I'll kill myself. He takes a vow and Krishna adjusts things. At the last minute, Arjuna destroys half the... actually, Arjuna was not in the Mahabharata war fighting with his power. His power was too great. Because of respect for elders, he was not lifting. He was not showing his full power. He was a devotee means gentleman. Correct? वो because of respect for Dronacharya, Bhishma, वो अपने पूरे अस्त्र नहीं उठा रहा था. He was very, docile. So Krishna wants to incite him because he comes out with the full power. So what does Krishna do? Previous day anyway, his son died. That is a big story why Krishna sanctioned that. Krishna himself took it away. That is one more story. And then Krishna now brings him. Next day, Arjuna takes a vow when he sees Abhimanyu has died. Then what happens? Arjuna fights with his power. And that was the day the Mahabharata war, they saw the power of Arjuna. It destroyed half the army of Duryodhana on one day. One day, it destroyed 5 Akshawanis. He was very powerful warrior. And then nobody could fight with him. Karna came, whoever came, all were destroyed. And finally, when he came to the last instance, still is a huge army. How much he will kill in one day? 5 Akshawani also itself is crores of soldiers. So then when he came, it was time for sunset. So Krishna did some trick. Before sunset, Krishna put his Sudarshana to make a sunset. So Jayadratha came out. See, he started dancing. See, where is your fire? Now, light up. है ना? Jayadratha हंस रहा था ना? हाँ? तो मरो अभी, लगाओ लकड़ी, जलाओ. So Krishna was, removed the, the cloud. And he said, Arjuna, now proceed. So Krishna knows how to adjust. Exactly.